You are unmuted.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Calling case number 7, State of Hawaii versus Gerhardt Konig, 1 CPC-25-373 for further jury trial. Counsel, can I have your appearances, please?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Deputy Prosecuting Attorney Joel Garner for the state. Also present is Deputy Prosecuting Attorney Franklin Don Bucaro, Jr.
Afternoon, Mr. Garner. Afternoon, Mr. McCarl.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Thomas Otake and Matha Dirks on behalf of Dr. Gerhardt Konig, who is present.
Afternoon, Mr. Osaki. Afternoon, Mr. Burks. Afternoon, Dr. Konig.
Here we are.
Gentlemen, all of you can be seated. Counsel, I wanted to raise a few things on the record. The court received communication number 1 this morning from the jury at 10:28. I did not send it out to you, and when I read it out loud to you, you can understand why. The jury wrote asking 6 questions. 1, may we please have blue painter state? 2, may we please have large Post-its? 3, may we please have other colored dry erase pens? 4, may we have another whiteboard? 5, an easel for a notepad. 6, regular markers. I didn't send this through to you. It was more just asking for supplies. So the court answered the communication at 10:35 stating the court will collect and provide the requested materials. The additional whiteboard may be difficult, but we will look for one or a suitable substitute. With respect to the handling of the communication number 1 from the jury this morning, Mr. Garner, any objections by the state?
None from the state.
How about you, Mr. Osaki?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
And then communication number 2 was received at 2:18 this afternoon, stating we've reached a verdict. And before the jury goes back into the courtroom, counsel, is there anything else you want to take up on record? Mr. Barth?
Nothing at the moment.
Mr. Osaki?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. McCallum, the jury is ready. We'll take them.
All rise for the jury.
Okay, everyone can be seated. Jury is now in the courtroom. Can the foreperson of the jury please stand and state their name?
Jury number 9, Makoto Atkins.
Ms. Atkins, good afternoon. Has the jury reached a verdict in this case?
Yes, Judge, we have.
And did you sign and date the verdict form?
Yes, Judge.
Can you leave it in the manila folder? Ms. McCallum will come and collect it from you. Ms. Atkins, you can have a seat. Thank you. Dr. Konig, can you stand as the clerk of the court reads the verdict of the jury?
Case number 1 CPC-25-00000373, State of Hawaii versus Gerhardt Konig. We, the jury in this case, finds the defendant guilty of attempted manslaughter based upon extreme mental or emotional disturbance, dated 4/8/26 by the foreperson.
Gentlemen, you can be seated. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'm going to call you by chair number, not by name, but by chair number, and I'm going to ask that you answer out loud either yes or no. If you agree with the verdict that was read out loud here in court, you would answer yes. If you disagree with the verdict that was read out loud in court, you would answer no. Starting with chair number 1.
Yes.
Chair 2.
Yes.
Chair 3.
Yes.
Chair number 4.
Yes.
Chair number 5.
Yes.
Chair number 6.
Yes.
Chair 7.
Yes.
Chair 8.
Yes.
Chair number 9.
Yes.
Chair 10.
Yes.
Chair number 11.
Yes.
Chair number 12.
Yes.
Thank you very much, ladies and members of the jury. Dr. Konig, the verdict of the jury is indeed unanimous, and consistent with their verdict, the court judges you guilty of attempted manslaughter in this case. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I am going to send you back into the jury deliberation room one more time. There's a little bit more paperwork that you'll need to complete with Ms. McCown. I will make myself available. I'll come into the jury room in about 5 minutes in case anybody has any questions. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. You don't have to wait though. If you want to get an early head start on your commute home, you're free to do so. When you leave in the hallways of the courthouse, the attorneys might be outside. They're always interested in hearing feedback from the jury. In addition, there's media that has covered this case. There will be members of the media out in the hallway as well. Some of them may invite you to talk about your jury experience. You're free to talk to anybody that you want to, now that your jury service is just about at an end. However, if you don't want to talk with anybody, you don't have to. And that includes me. So you don't have to wait for me to come into the jury room. If you don't want to talk to anybody, including me, you're free to leave. But before you do go, though, if I do not have a chance to speak with you, on behalf of the parties and the rest of the judiciary, thank you very much for your time and your service. We started this case, it feels like a month ago. It's been a long, long haul for all of you. It has not been easy. We never thought it was going to be easy when we started this case. We already talked about how hard a job it was going to be. And through it all, you had to endure that weather, that traffic, horrible parking conditions. Thank you very much for your flexibility, your perseverance. I hope you and your family remain safe during this weekend. Again, if I don't get to talk with you, thank you very much. You have our utmost gratitude. And like I said at the beginning of this case, and this is still true today, it has been my great honor to serve with you on this case. Thank you very much. So for the last time, into the jury deliberation room. All rise. Everyone can be seated. Consistent with the verdict in this case, the court will order the preparation of the pre-sentence investigation and report and schedule sentencing in this case on July 16th, it's a Thursday morning, counsel, at 8:30 in the morning. Do you have any objections to this setting, Mr. Barr?
Could we potentially have 1 week earlier? I know there's some time that it takes ACSB to prepare the work. I'm
No,
potentially,
but I can go later.
okay, I'm potentially out of town for the last couple of weeks of July. I don't have approval to travel yet, but,
Setting in August would be better though.
and I have a training on the first week of August.
I'm sorry.
I have a training on the first week of August,
So early August,
after the 7th, if that's okay.
week 13th, be okay?
Yes.
Mr. Otake, agreeable?
August 13th.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
So August 13th at 8:30 will be the sentence.
There is one thing, Your Honor. I'm unsure if we place this on record during the closing argument portion. After the state's closing argument, the state was made aware of a case that came out in 2025 that required the state to ask that a portion of the state's closing argument be stricken.
I did.
Was that placed on the record or was it an off-record discussion?
It was on record.
Okay, I just want to make sure that was on record. Thank
And I
you.
gave the curative instruction to the jury right away.
Yes, thank you.
Mr. Otake, anything else you want to take up before adjourning?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Court's adjourned.
You are muted.